Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I will share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we'll show you the some crochet table runner pattern designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet table runner pattern designs. These all collection are very useful in winter. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These crochet table runner pattern design are looking stunning. These all crochet design are very beautiful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet table runner pattern designs collection. These are all handmade crochet table runner pattern designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet table runner pattern designs collection. New ideas crochet table runner pattern designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet table runner pattern designs collection. Beautiful color crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.